Imagine stumbling across a forgotten barn at the edge of nowhere. Dust swirls in the sunlight, and there, under decades of cobwebs, something incredible waits. I'm about to show you a discovery that stopped me in my tracks. A classic car lost to time, untouched for more than 50 years. As I pry open the creaky doors, the silhouette comes into view. There it is, a 1967 Ferrari 275 GTB4. Only 330 were ever made, each hand-built, and this one spent its entire life hidden from the world. Take a look at these close-ups. The original leather seats, the iconic Ferrari badge, the V12 engine still gleaming beneath layers of dust. It's like stepping into a time machine. Why is this car so special? Back in the late 60s, the 275 GTB4 was the pinnacle of Italian engineering. Sleek lines, raw power, and unmatched elegance. To find one in original, unrestored condition, that's almost unheard of. Check out the interior. The dash is untouched, the seats have just the right patina, and there's barely a hint of rust. Just enough to tell a story, not enough to ruin it. I spoke with a restoration expert, and the verdict is in. This Survivor could fetch up to $4 million at auction, maybe even more. That's the kind of number that sends chills down your spine. If you love hidden treasures and forgotten legends, hit subscribe. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Hidden for decades, one of only 330 produced, unrestored Survivor.